I'm going in with some hydrating primer, just to make sure the skin is nice and plump. Next, I'm taking my foundation, applying it all over the face, blending it with my fingertips.
This concealer is so good, it covers everything. To achieve this bold definition, we focus on the Royal Arabic sculpting technique, emphasizing the cheek and jawline contour with deep shadows. First, I'm just going to brush them up. I'm going to take this dark brown shade on a very thin angled brush. We're just going to add some more darkness and depth to the outer corner of the eye. Today we're going to be creating a stunning look perfect for a night out.
This eyeliner look is bold and royal.
So I'm just going to take my lash and apply it.
And I'm just going to go ahead and start applying this black shade on the outer corner. Same girl applying champagne gold highlighter on cheekbones, nose bridge, forehead, intense bridal glow, elegant lighting.